A cryptocurrency is a currency type. In this currency, notes are not used, and this money is physically nowhere to be seen. There is no bank or government influence. Cash is stored only digitally. This means the money has been created in a distributed public ledger called the blockchain. If you do not know about blockchain, you can watch the video we have made. That is a simple explanation of blockchain technology everyone can understand. You can find that video link in the description. Take a look and get an idea. So this money is completely controlled through the millions of computers in the world. The value of this money depends on the demand and supply of the people who use this network. And another important thing is that several mechanisms are used inside the blockchain network to prevent these currencies from being hacked. One of them is cryptography. This protects the data in three ways, called secret key, public key, and hash function. That is why these currencies are called cryptocurrency. So when you think about it, you may be wondering, where is this network located? Who runs this? To verify these transactions, it must use a computing power. Who does it? That is where cryptocurrency mining comes into play. This mechanism is also called proof of work. Let's see who these miners are. What they do is join this public ledger and verify the hash codes needed to create new blocks. They use an algorithm to verify hash codes, so this requires a lot of processing power apart. The miners process and verify them from their machines. Another thing is that there is a competition among the miners. The person who verifies these records first gets a reward from the cryptocurrency. That reward is their profit. Now let's look at information about 5 popular cryptocurrencies. First of all, you all know Bitcoin. The symbol of this coin is BTC. Satoshi Nakamoto created this in 2008. No one knows who he is or where he lives. Some say that Satoshi Nakamoto is not a person, but an organization. When it came out in 2010, it was worth $0.003. April 2021, that means values as of today is $62,750. Then the highest value of this coin was above $63,000 in April 2021. In December 2018, the lowest value was $3,234. There are 21 million Bitcoins in the world. At present, 18.5 million coins have been mined. Market capitalization of this coin as of today is $1.1 trillion. Next, we will look at Ethereum cryptocurrency. The symbol of this coin is ETH. Vitalik Buterin created the Ethereum cryptocurrency. He is a 26-year-old Canadian programmer. In the world of technology, he is known as a mastermind. Google company asked him to work with them, but he rejected it. Also, his wealth is still countless. This coin was valued at $2.77 in 2015. April 2021, that means values as of today is $2,504. Then the highest value of this coin was $2,518 in April 2021. The lowest value was 68 cents in August 2015. When this launched, 72 million Ethereum coins came out, and there is no definite number of coins for this. 18 million coins are mined every year. The market capitalization of this Ethereum coin is $284 billion today. More than 2,000 applications run inside the Ethereum blockchain. Also, Ethereum blockchain has more technology than Bitcoin blockchain. Next, we will look at Litecoin cryptocurrency. The symbol of this coin is LTC. This Litecoin was created in 2011 by Charlie Lee. He is a computer scientist. When it came out in 2011, it had no value. In 2013, it was worth 0.747. April 2021, that means values as of today is $284. Then, the highest value of this coin was $375 in December 2017. In January 2015, the lowest value was $1.11. There are 84 million Litecoins in the world. At present, 62 million of these 84 million have been mined. The market capitalization of this coin as of today is $18.6 billion. Next, we will look at the Tron cryptocurrency. The symbol of this coin is TRX. This coin was created in 2017 by a person called Justin Sun. He is a tech entrepreneur. We all know BitTorrent, the software we use to download movies and softwares. When it was created in 2017, it was valued at 0.002. April 2021, that means values as of today is 0.158. Then the highest value of this coin was 23 cents in January 2018. In November 2017, the lowest value was 0.0018. There are 101 billion Tron coins in the world. At present, 62 of these 84 million have been released. The market capitalization of this coin as of today is $11.4 billion. This coin cannot mine. These coins' transactions are verified by validators. It's called proof of stake. Next, we will look at this cryptocurrency called Tether. The symbol of this coin is USDT. Tether cryptocurrency is a unique coin that first came out in 2014. This cryptocurrency was created by a company called Tether Limited. This Tether coin equals to $1. This is the first and only stable coin in the cryptocurrency world today. This means that the value of this coin will not rise or fall above the US dollar. The coin is often used to exchange cryptocurrency. So the importance of this coin is if you have a certain amount of Bitcoin, when the price of this Bitcoin goes down, you can exchange some Bitcoin for Tether or USDT before it goes down. Then Bitcoin starts to increase again. You can exchange USDT coins for Bitcoin again. Then the amount of Bitcoin you have will gradually increase. That means you have a profit. For example, when you find out the price of your car is going down, you sell it before the price goes down and keep the money with you. So I think you have got a great understanding of this cryptocurrencies from this video. And we're going to tell you about smart contracts in the next video. Don't forget to hit the red button below this video to subscribe to the Crypto Cartel channel and the bell button to get notified of our new videos every single week. Have a nice day. Thank you.